Emergency Preparedness Guide for Seniors, Staying Safe in Any Storm. Emergencies don't wait for anyone, and for seniors, being prepared is half the battle won. Understanding specific needs is crucial. Start by creating an emergency kit. Ensure it has medications, water, non-perishable food, and important documents. Accessibility is key. Communication is vital. Have a list of emergency contacts, including family, friends, and local emergency services, easily accessible. Familiarize yourself with your community's emergency plans. Know the nearest shelter and its accessibility features. Knowledge is power. Practice makes perfect. Regularly run through your emergency plan. Adjust as needed to ensure it's always up to date. Don't forget about your support network. Share your plan with them. In times of need, a familiar voice is comforting. Remember, preparedness can significantly reduce the stress of facing an emergency. Stay informed, stay ready, and you'll weather any storm.